In some cases of acne, you'll see so much redness and irritation that cover your skin. It makes your skin look worse than before. You might think that even though you have acne, it would be nice if there are no redness and irritation in your skin, because without those redness and irritation, your skin will look better, even when you have acne. Well, yes, you can do it. You can eliminate your acne, irritation and redness using these 7 easy ways. Number 1. Avoid picking, scratching, and touching your acne. Remember that picking, scratching, and touching your acne can spread more redness in your skin. Do not do it. But, the tricky part is that the more irritation you have, the more you will want to touch your face. The point is that you have to restrain yourself from doing it. Master some self-discipline. If you really need to touch your face because it's too itchy for you to bear, then use the back of your hand and touch your face gently. Number 2. Avoid aggravating your acne more with unhealthy foods. Foods, like peanuts and meats, will seriously make your irritation worse. Try it. When you have irritation in your skin, try to eat more peanuts and meats, and you'll see what I mean. Those are the examples of unhealthy foods that you need to avoid. Your skin redness can, more or less, be connected with the foods that you eat. It's a kind of allergic reaction in your skin. So, beware of aggravating your condition with unhealthy foods. Number 3. Sleep more when you see more irritation in your skin. This is what you need most at this time of panic. Redness and irritation may attack your face, but by having more sleep, you can easily control their appearance. So, what you need is sleep more. Staying up late in the night is the last thing that you should do. It will dehydrate your skin and make your irritation more prevalent. You need to sleep more in order to give your body the necessary rest to heal your condition. Number 4. Drink fruit and vegetable juices often. Instead of eating more junk foods, you need to eat more healthy foods. But, I recommend drinking fruit and vegetable juices often during this period. Remember that if you have severe acne and severe redness as well, you have to give your body the best nutrition in order to combat the toxins within. Free radicals need to be eliminated from your body in order to restore your skin condition. The best fruit and vegetable juices you should drink are apple juice, avocado juice, and spinach juice. Number 5. Give your skin more fresh air and morning sunlight. Fresh air and morning sunlight will give your skin certain kind of restoration. It will help you to open up your pores and make your skin more radiant. In other words, fresh air and morning sunlight can immediately help you to fade away the redness and irritation in your skin. So, in the morning, wear a comfortable clothing and walk around the neighborhood for about 30 minutes. Then, breathe deeply, close your eyes, tilt your head toward the sky, smile, stretch your hands, and embrace the sunlight. Number 6. Drink more fresh water. You need to hydrate your body from within in order to prevent skin dryness. Skin dryness can really aggravate your acne, and it will spread more irritation on your skin surface as well. By drinking plenty of fresh water during the day, you will be able to keep your body hydrated and your skin moisturized in order to help you make those redness and irritation disappear from your skin. Number 7. Exercise your body. Simple exercises can help you to open your pores and boost your oxygen circulation, which will help to fade away your irritation quickly. Just doing some simple exercises will do the trick. You don't need to do the whole bodybuilding practice for this purpose, and besides, it is not necessary for you. Do some simple exercises like jogging, running, and walking in order to keep your body healthy. It will greatly help to restore your skin health as well. So, if you want to eliminate those redness and irritation in your skin, you can just follow the tips above. But, how about the acne? How can I eliminate it, you may ask? The best method to clear away your acne completely is to use a self-healing technique called holistic acne solution.